everyone, this is Jenny from the Teens Department at our Frankfurt Library. Today we are doing Lighted Fairy House. So what you'll have in your package is the solar light, moss, rocks and shells, glue sticks, and a glue gun. So what all you guys need to do is you guys need to add a water bottle or any plastic bottle, and what is more preferable is Powerade or Gatorade bottles. So before we started this video, I went ahead and just cut up the bottom of the bottle, and I went ahead and cut a door at the front of the bottle. So what you want to do is get your moss out. With the glue gun, you want to go ahead and start gluing onto the bottle. Let me just say that you're going to need a lot of glue on here. So you can start gluing your moss onto the bottle. It don't have to be a certain order or anything, but I found it easier just putting on the moss first and then the rocks. So I went ahead and finished putting the moss onto the bottle. There is a few flowers on your back with the moss. If you want, you can put it onto the bottle, it don't matter. I went ahead and put mine onto the bottle. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to start putting some rocks and shells onto the bottle. So like the moss, you just want to start gluing onto the bottle or on top of the moss, and then start putting your rocks. Make sure you put like a ton of glue because they tend to like sometimes pop off. Start gluing as much as you want. You don't have to put all of them on there, but I'm just putting on a few. So also in your kits, I didn't have any on my sample, but you'll get like some wooden circles that you can put like in front of the doorway on your fairy house or on the side. It's just decoration. So on your solar light, you want to go ahead and take off that piece of paper with the arrow on it. And then you'll want to glue the top of your bottle. And you want to go ahead and just place it on top. And then keep it there to dry. And then if you want, you can go ahead and start gluing moss on top of the bottle to cover up the plastic. And then there you go. There's your fairy house. Thanks for watching.